Hello there and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zaraarti. Whoop whoop whoop. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to install Afro twists, crochet braids and different ways in which you can style them. So if you want to see how I achieved this beautiful hairdo for just 2,500 naira or $7, please keep watching. Starting off with the usual, which is a crochet needle and the hair Afro twist braid. This is from Royal Silk and this is what the hair looks like. It's a kinky hair. I'm taking one out of the hair and I'm dividing it into two equal parts. My hair is already laid in a cornrow already, and I'm going with my crochet needle and my Afro twist braid. And if you want to see a detailed video on how to crochet your hair, I'll be leaving the link in the description box below. So without further ado, I'm just going to let this play through and fast forward it a little bit, so that we don't spend so much time on this video. Now we are done installing the Afro twist braid. We'll just run your fingers through the hair, to bring out those, because the kinky hair, those parts are like joined together, and make sure you trim out the edges with scissors. And now we're going to styling, and I'll be using my bobby pin. And guys, this video in particular was shot 3 days after I made the actual hair. So this is the first style. Just find the part on the front and pack it high, tie it with your hair. Basically what I used in this video to style the hair is the hair itself and bobby pins. That's just all you need. So this is the first style. I don't know what we're going to call this one, but this is, I think this is kind of like my first favorite. Yeah, see how pretty I look. That's how pretty you're gonna look too. So the second one, I'm just going to pack the hair at the back and twist it, roll it. So for this hairstyle, just play around with it. You can roll it to the left, to the right, but the goal here is to just make sure everything is packed up in a very stylish way. Oh god, packed up in a very cute way actually. Yeah, so just follow this way. I'm styling the hair and you will get the desired result. Then for the front, I'm just going to also make sure you use the bobby pin, don't forget. For the front, I'm just going to roll it clockwise. Yeah, it says clockwise. Yeah, clockwise. And I'll take that back through my ear to the other side. You know, this is more like a bridal look, you know, when you want to go for a bridal, for your wedding or a bridal party. Then this other style, just take out that front that we rolled in and just, you know, make a bun in front of your hair. You know how we make a bun, just roll it and make a circle round it, and you can tuck it in. For this particular one, I didn't use a pin, I just tucked it into the hair and it stayed all through. So yeah, this is look 3. Oh yes. So for the next look, I'm just going to pack all the hair up, bring it forward a little bit. You can make it side, you can make it center, you can make it down, or make a little bit to the back, I mean. Then just use your hand and brush through, run through, and voila, you have it, this pretty looking fine girl. And the other style is just move the hair to the right side of my hair, just move some few parts of the crochet. Then I styled it up with this hair accessory. You can use any hair accessory that you want to use. This is the one I found cute, and this is what we have. For this next hairstyle, I'll be bringing in some parts of the hair, something we call base. Just bring a few parts of the hair like this, as you can see. Then I'll be taking in some other parts from the right hand side of my hair. So I think this hairstyle is called patewo and base. Like while growing up, I think this is what this hairstyle is called. But yeah, just basically taking some parts from the right and moving it round through my ear and taking it to the back, and I use bobby pin to just hold it down. It's basically just having like a base in the front, then the middle part is packed and the back is flowing, you know. And this is it. Yeah, fine girl. For this other style, I'll be taking the base part and just roll it in and take it right through my ears. I really need to learn hair terms, like learn the names of these different hairstyles, because I don't it's so funny. Yeah, but voila, this is the other hairstyle. And for the final look, we're going to cut it. So I'll just be chopping off the hair to basically just have like a short hairdo. I really love this particular look because it was so easy. Like I think I carried this hair for a week because I could just easily run my hands through the hair and style it anywhere I want. And I'm accessorizing it with hair accessories, and this one you can play around with it, do what you want. And yes, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and leave me a thumbs up. See you in my next video.